Alright, good morning, guys. Today we're doing a little review of the new Kato Unitrack crossing gate and rerailer. This is a piece that I've been excited about since I saw it announced in Japan, but I don't think anyone's really done a review stateside, so that's what we're going to tear into today and see just what you're getting. Alright, so starting on the back, it's pretty self-explanatory. You've basically got a rerailer section of track, and as we all know, the default rerailer had the really big concrete plastic crossing pieces. Well, they've actually gone and added gates and flashers to them. Now, these are very similar in size to the ones on the automatic crossing gate, so we're going to check this out as it goes. Okay, so opening your package, here's what you get. You get a little sticker sheet for the cross bucks. There's instructions on the back for applying the signals. You have one of the gate sections, the rerailer, and of course another gate section. The gates themselves are actually scale and tiny. These are based off the, well, kind of based off the Japanese ones. They just repainted the gates and went a little more fat on the bulbs for the American market. But still, these are really cool looking. The sticker sheet, all you have to do is take like an X-Acto knife and trace over the pattern of whatever one you want to put on there. And these are a metal foil type sticker. Now I made the mistake of getting mine stuck with the bubble wrap, so that was the result. Besides that, this is really straightforward, really easy. And the one I did, I was just messing around with this one, it did come off really easily even though I didn't have it cut right. So just take your time, be patient, and you'll have it right on there. And there you have it, guys. Here's the finished product. Overall, for the money, I think this is a pretty neat little piece. I like the fact that they actually give you something that has opposable gates. Now some of you may be wondering why the quad gates, because I know this is just now becoming a thing, at least in the southern U.S. Here in North Carolina, we're getting a couple of these in rural crossings. But like I said earlier, this is based off the Japanese prototype crossing that they have for these. And quad gates are very common over there. Thus why you've got the pole style gates as opposed to what we have mounted on the actual crossing mast stateside. But still, this is really cool, I think. If you've got the Kato automatic crossing gate, this is the old manual version of that, so I think this is a good little deal for the money. And the neat thing is, you can paint this as you want. Paint the road darker, add some ground cover if you so choose. But this is an expandable piece, I believe. I think between either one of Kato's videos or the Japanese website, I saw an expansion rerailer, so it would work just like the joiner pieces that you're already using on your crossing, because it is designed the exact same way underneath. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'm going to snap a little track of this and we'll run a train through it. So thanks again for watching.